This short video is about how to set decimal places in Sharp EL-738 calculators. So you can have a look. First we need to start with on, then setup button 00, then press 9 for 9 decimal places. So let's have a look. I have this calculator, so it's already on. So then go to setup, so then 00. So you can see here digit 0 to 9. Let's see, we need 9 decimal places, so I will press 9. So you can see we have 9 decimal places. So again we can set it to 2 decimal places. Let's do it again. To get 2 decimal places, set up 00, so 2. That's all. Thank you.